Hello, everybody. It is Steve with SBL Games. Thanks for tuning in. In today's episode, we're going to be doing a Xbox One S HDMI port replacement, but it's a good thing we include deep cleanings and thermal compound replacement because this is bad. It is very bad. There's so much dirt and dust in this thing. It's just like encrusted on everything. All this dust.
I appreciate it, man.
No worries. Thanks for calling. So yeah, the heat sink and everything is just covered in dust, and then as usual, the factory compound is crap, so we'll change that. Come on. Trying to make sure it's taking on that second one. Doesn't want to take. There we go. And then now I gotta switch hit it. Come with the left hand. Alright, so oftentimes what we do, as you guys see if you watch, is we will use the low mount on the pens and then hit it with the heat gun to get it to drop out. But on this one, we're going to do a bit different. So I've already lined the pens. I've already soaked the posts. So we're just going to basically keep going from left to right until this port drops out. Yeah, that side's definitely good. Yeah, it's gonna need some help, but it's pretty much already out. There it goes. Dang it. Went to use the solder wick and it was already all used up. Okay, we're 2 for 2. Man, today's crazy busy. Alright, no torn pads, it's always good. That is the final outcome on the post. And that is the final outcome on the pins. Let's bolt through it. Like night and day, all cleaned out. Time to test. Alright. Alright, we're back in action. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, and consider subscribing.